Good morning, children. Now we are going to study mathematics for class 4 children. I have given you some homeworks previous day. Did you do that? Okay. Did you take your textbook and notebook? Are you ready for the class? Then, okay. If you are ready, I am also ready to teach you. See, page number 44 you take. Textbook page number 44 you take to the bank. I told you if you can do it as homework. No? If you have done it, very good. Then I will repeat it once again. The school raised some money for the education aid fund. It was decided to deposit in a bank. The LP section classes and UP section classes collected some money for the education aid fund. See how much they are going with the money. From LP section classes, how much money collected? Here you read 3,600, 9, 10 rupees and 5, 1 rupees from the LP classes they got. Can you say the amount? See, 3,600, 9 tens means 9 10 rupees means 90, 5 1 rupee, 5 rupees or 1 rupee notes, and the number is 3,695 rupees from LP classes. From UP classes, how much amount they collected? You read 4,000 rupees, 410 rupees, 800 rupees and 7 rupees from UP classes. First of all, you consider 4,000. Then you can consider hundreds. It is given second week. It is given 10 for 10 rupees. That for 10 rupees means 40. 40 you write in tens place only. After 1,000 we have to write the hundreds. How many hundreds rupees? 800 rupees they got. Now 4,000 rupees, 800 rupees, 410 rupees, 40 and 7 rupees. What will be the amount? 4,847 rupees. 4,847 rupees. Okay. You got the amount separately collected from LP classes and UP classes. Then we have to how much in all. How much money they collected in all. In all means total. In all means total. To find out what to do, you have to add the money collected from LP classes and UP classes. Rupees 3,695 plus rupees 4,847. Then we have to add the amounts. See, I have taught you, but if anybody is not clear about adding, we can ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, from LP 3,600, 9 times means 90 plus 5 plus 4,847. See, 7 ones plus 5 ones. 7 ones you keep in mind. Mansil or 7. Then take 5 and add. 7 you keep in mind. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many ones are here? 12 ones. Can we write 12 here? 12. This 12 you write here, but this 2 ones and 1 10, that is 12. Or 1 10 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. So in the ones place we can write only ones. Otherwise the digits will correlate each other. They will not allow other numbers of other place value in the same column. They will not allow. So we have to give this 110 to where? To tens place. See, 110 we gave to tens place. So here only 2. Then next one, 9 plus 4. You add 9 plus 4. 9 you keep in mind. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. It is easy to add like that. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14. The 4 you write here. 1, 4, 10 tens is equal to 100. 14 tens is equal to 140. Then you give this 100 to where? Hundreds place. You give that 100 to hundreds place. 4 tens you write in tens place and 100 give to hundreds place. Then you add the hundreds column. 8 plus 6. 8 keep in mind, take 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. 15 you cannot write here because 15 hundreds means 1000 is there, no? You write this here and give it to thousands place. 1000 give to thousands place. So 500 only you write here and we give to 1000 give to thousands place and add. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now, did you get the total amount? Total amount, see. Total amount is 8,542. 8,000 is equal to 8,542 rupees in all. So collection from LP section and UP section, 8,542 rupees. I will give you the notes also. Then you take page 46. Page 46, notebooks. It is very easy, no? The Nanma Club in school distributed 2,345 unruled books, notebooks and 4,678 ruled books. How many in all? What is the meaning of in all? How many in all? Total. Total number of unruled books and ruled books. It is very easy, no? You have to add the number of unruled books and the number of ruled books. You add the numbers and find out that. The next one you can easily find out. Once you write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands and write the digits in each according to the place value, then add. Then page number 47, very interesting activity. 850 plus 850. You see, 850, 850. Then you add the numbers. Then you will get the another answer. Which is the answer? 1,700. Then next one. 1,250 and 550. You add both these numbers. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? 1,800. Like that, you can add the numbers and do it as homework. Okay. Thank you.